Trading can be a real roller coaster, right? One minute you're feeling confident, the next you're staring at a chart wondering what on earth just happened. And let's be honest, making consistent money trading, that's the real challenge. It's tough out there. But what if you had a simpler, clearer strategy, something you can grasp quickly that would help you decide at a glance whether to buy or sell or just chill and wait it out? Think about it. No more second guessing, no more staring blankly at the screen. That would be a game changer, wouldn't it? Well, that's precisely what we're diving into in this video. Hi traders, and welcome back to the TradeGenius channel. In this video, we're breaking down a money-making strategy that's designed to work in any market you're trading. Seriously, whether you're into forex, commodities, indices, crypto, stocks, it doesn't matter. The strategy can be profitable across the board. And the best part, it's totally versatile when it comes to time frame. You can use it on those super fast 1-minute charts, the 5-minute, the 15-minute, all the way up to daily charts. So, what's the secret sauce behind this strategy? It all revolves around something called the RSI histogram. You've probably heard of that RSI, right? This is like the RSI, but visualized in a whole new way. Instead of a line, we're using a histogram. Think of it like a bar chart that goes from minus 100 to plus 100, making it super easy to see what's happening. Plus, we can smooth it out using different moving averages, which helps filter out some of the noises. Alright, let's walk through how to get this set up on your charts. If you're using TradingView, which is a pretty popular platform, it's super easy. Just go to the indicators button at the top of your chart, click on that, and a search bar will pop up. Type in RSI histogram. You'll likely see a few different versions, but the one we're looking for is just called RSI histogram. Click on that and boom, it's added to your chart. Now here's the thing. Out of the box, the RSI histogram is a useful indicator, but we need to tweak it a bit to make it really effective for this specific strategy. Think of it like tuning an instrument. It sounds good already, but with a few adjustments, it can sound amazing. So click on the RSI histogram on your chart to open up the settings. You'll see a few different tabs. At the first one, we're interested in the inputs tab. There is where we're going to fine-tune how the indicator calculates and displays data. First, we're going to adjust the RSI length. The default setting is usually something like 14, which is good for short-term moves. But for this strategy, we wanted a slightly longer perspective, so we're going to bump that up to 45. This gives a better sense of the overall long-term trend. Think of it like widening your view. You can see the bigger picture. Next, we're going to adjust the moving average length. This helps to smooth out the RSI histogram and filter out some of the noises that can sometimes make charts look a little choppy. We're going to set this to 100. The longer moving average helps us focus on the more significant trend changes and avoid getting whipsawed by short-term fluctuations. Now, you can leave the source and moving average type at their default settings for now. But one thing you absolutely must do is enable the bar color option. This is crucial because it's how we're going to visualize identify the trend. This is where the magic happens. And for the style tab, you don't really need to mess with anything here for this strategy. So once you've made those adjustments to the inputs, you're good to go. The RSI histogram is now calibrated and ready to help you spot those profitable trading opportunities. Okay, so here's where things get really interesting. These color bars on the RSI histogram are your key to identify the trend. When you see a series of green bars popping up, that's a clear signal of bullish momentum. Think of it this way. Buyers are stepping in and price is likely pushing upwards and the market is generally optimistic. This could be a great time to start looking for potential long positions. Now, it's not a guarantee, of course. Nothing in trading is, but it's a strong indication that the wind is blowing in an upward direction. But what about when the bars turn red? Well, that's your cue to pay close attention. Red bars on a histogram signal bearish momentum. This means sellers are taking control and price is likely heading downwards, and the market sentiment is becoming more pessimistic. Seeing red bars doesn't automatically mean you should short everything, but it's definitely a warning sign. It suggests you should be extra careful about any long position you might have, and it could even open up opportunities for short trade if that aligns with your overall strategy. Now for the real star of the show. An indicator I honestly can't believe is free on TradingView. The swing arm trend indicator, something called the FDS indicator. This thing is an absolute powerhouse. Whether you're looking for clear signals or just trying to get a handle on the overall trend, seriously, it's that good. Adding it to your chart is just like adding any indicator. Head to the indicator section. Search for swing arm trend indicator or FDS. And click on it to add it to your chart. Easy peasy. Now, just like with the RSI histogram, we need to tweak the settings a bit to make it work perfectly with this strategy. So open up the settings for the swing arm trend indicator. In the impulse tab, change the ATR period to 5. Then change the ATR factor also to 5. After that, make sure you disable fib entries since we won't be using those in this particular setup. Now head over to the style tab. This is where things get interesting. Disable everything except for the very last plot option. This is the key signal we'll be focusing on. And I also like to customize the colors a bit, so I usually go with white and blue, but feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. So now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the money-making rules. Here's the deal. If the RSI histogram is showing green, that means we're in an uptrend. So we're looking for the price candles to also be above the white FDS line. Then we wait for the price to pull back a little and retest that white FDS band. When a candle closes above the FDS band after the retest, that's your buy signal. Boom, you enter your trade there. Put your stop loss just below the FDS bands to protect yourself. And aim for a take profit that's twice the size of your risk. Simple, right? Now for short trades, it's basically the same thing, just in reverse. You need a red histogram, price below the blue FDS band, and wait for a retest. When a candle closes below the FDS band after the retest, that's your sell signal. A stop loss goes just above the FDS band, and again, target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And one last super important thing, we never trade against the RSI histogram. So, no short trades during an uptrend and no long trades during downtrend. Got it? Happy trading.